welcome back to StudyBuddy Code channel. We're solving SAT maths questions in the domain algebra and the difficulty is medium. So as said before, these questions that have been selected are not in any BlueBook practice tests. If you want to know how I've selected these questions, you could go back to the first video in the playlist. Let's start solving this question now. According to a model, the head width in millimeters of a worker bumblebee can be estimated by adding 0.6 to 4 times the body weight of the bee in grams. According to the model, what would be the head width in millimeters of a worker bumblebee that has a body weight of 0.5 grams? So I'm going to let you pause the video and solve it and try to solve it by yourselves. All right, now let's solve the question. So what is this question even saying? This is a word problem. All right, so according to a model, the head width in millimeters, so the head width is in millimeters of a worker bumblebee can be estimated by adding, this is equation forming time. All right, by adding 0.6, okay, 2 plus 4 times the body weight of the bee in grams. So 4 times the body weight in grams of the bee, let's just say that's G, okay? And all right, that's our equation. This is the most important step. If you make a mistake here, then you would get the rest of the question wrong as well. So this is really important, equation forming step. All right, so the next part, which is the actual question that we have to solve. According to the model, what would be the head width, the same thing, head width in millimeters of a worker bumblebee that has a body weight of 0.5 grams? So basically, the body weight of the bee, which was here in our equation, this part, they have given us the value. So they basically just want us to substitute 0.6 plus, they want us to substitute G or any letter that you have chosen with 0.5. So that's half. Okay, so that's half of 4, so that will be 2, and this is 0.6, so that's 2.6. All right, you can calculate it using your calculator. Now I'm going to be showing you how to do this on Desmos. We're right now on Desmos. I've typed in the equation that we formed using the question. 0.6 plus 4G. You could write any letter here actually. I'm going to choose G just to show you something. So as soon as I type any letter here, Desmos asks you to add a slider. So I'm going to be doing that. And it lets you choose any value you want. And it, as you can see here, if you keep watching here, the value changes as required. If you choose X instead, you would get it, but then you would have to find where 0.5 is. So for example, that's there, and you would have to scroll up, drag it up and down. That's pretty time consuming, not important. So just type in any other value, you'll get a slider. Put in the value they gave you, which is 0.5. So I'm going to put 0.5. You can type it. I'm just going to type it 0.5. So you immediately get the value, which is 2.6. And that's how you solve this question using Desmos. Thank you.